In this example, we have a park designer is modeling the path of a jet of water from a unique fountain. Now the path height, h of d, is in meters and is as a function and represents as a function of a horizontal distance d in meters as well from the given pump. And that can be expressed again by this function that we see here. The water system touches the ground when h of d is equal to 0. If one of the places where the water is going to touch the ground is at 8 meters from the pump, at what other horizontal distance does the water stream reach the ground? So since we know that one of the solutions is 8, we're going to use that solution in order to divide this function and to come up again with a quadratic equation. So we have 1, negative 21, 144, and negative 320. And then we're going to simply follow in synthetic division. So 1 times 8 is 8. Adding those two numbers is going to give us a negative 4. This is going to be negative 32. So there's going to be 112. I'm sorry, correction. This is negative 13. I thought it said 12. It's negative 21 plus 8. That's negative 13, and multiplying that negative 13 with 8, that gives us a total of negative 104, which then gives us a total of 40. And multiplying 40 with 8, that's 320, so remainder of 0. So now with this quadratic, x squared minus 13x plus 40, we want to, hopefully this can be factored, and we can find what's going to make those factors equal to 0, and that's going to help us find the remaining two places where this stream is going to reach ground level. So the horizontal distance, okay, here. So let's see. Since this is negative, negative times a positive is also negative, and we're going to look for the factors of 40. So 1 and 40, that doesn't give us 13. 2 and 20, that doesn't give us 13. 3, that doesn't work. 4 and 10, that's not going to give us 13. 5 and 8, that gives us 13. So if I do a negative 5 and 8, those two multiply to give us 40, and they add up. Negative 8 and negative 13, negative 5, I'm sorry, add up to that negative 13 that we want. So that means that x would end up equaling to positive 8 and x will end up equaling to positive 5. So the other two solutions are 8 and 5.